Okay, so in this video we will look at how to create different slides to be used as a presentation. Okay, so now my first blank slide is ready. The picture that I saved to my desktop in the previous in the previous video, I can insert it. Okay, so I can go to insert, then I go to pictures, this device, and then I go to my desktop, and then it was called first presentation, the one that I saved it as an image. Okay, so I click insert. Okay, the design has appeared. If I want to delete it, or if I want to undo, I can click undo and it is gone. Okay, so now let me insert a text box. Okay, so I go to insert, and then I click text box. Then I click the blank slide. I click on the blank slide and the text box will appear. Okay, so now let me type, let's say 1. Okay, and then I press enter and then type 1 like this. Okay, so I can select and then I change the font size, the font type to Arial black, and then the font size to 96, and the color, let me maintain 1. Okay, let me maintain the black color. Sorry. Now I can expand this thing, the text box, and then I select the text and then I center it. I go to center. Okay, all right, so now I can change the design. Okay, so I go to design and select a design that I want. Okay, this design is very nice, so let me choose this one. So okay, now I go home. Okay, I click the home tab and select new tab. Okay, so when the new tab appears, you can click and hold it and move it to the top, so that it becomes like the first slide, and the one will come to the second position like this. You see, you can also click and hold and move it like this. Okay, now this is the first slide, so you click on the second slide 2, you click on it like this. Okay, then you write 2. The first slide we wrote 1, so the second slide we will write 2. Okay, so you can go to the first slide and then you click on the text box, you click on 1 and then you put the cursor, you click and make sure it has changed to this style, then you right click, then you copy. Okay, then you go to slide 2. Okay, slide 2, then you right click on slide 2, then you paste. You select this, you paste. Okay, now you can edit it, then you replace the one with 2. Okay, 2 like this. Okay, then you save it. You can go to file and then save. Make sure anything you do, anytime you add any new content, then you save it. Anytime you add new content, then you save it, so that in case your machine goes off or there's anything you won't lose your work. You can also press Ctrl+S, and it will save it. Okay, so now let me add new slide 3. Okay, and then I go to slide 2 and copy. I click on it, then this will appear, then I click on this line then I right click, then I copy. Okay, then I go to slide 3, then I come and right click and then paste. Then I change the content to 3. Okay, okay, then I go to file and save it. Okay, now I add new slide 4. Okay, then I go to 3 and copy, or you can go to insert and then use the text box again. So text box, I click the text box, then I click on the blank slide and the text box will appear. Then you begin to type. Okay, you can see this presentation. Okay, was prepared by, okay, okay, teacher Paul. This presentation was prepared by teacher Paul. Okay, then you expand it, then you select the text, you can put, you select all like this, then you change the font type. Let me select Arial Black. You can choose any font type you want. Then you select the size, let's say 60. Okay, then you center it. Okay, you can change the text to yellow or whatever. So let me select yellow. Okay, then you can click on this line. Okay, you see when I click here, the line is gone, so I can't move it. But if I click on it and the text, you see the line has appeared, but it looks like dot lines. Okay, so you click on the line again, then it becomes straight line. So now you can move it. You can drag, you can click and drag it to any place that you want. So this presentation was prepared by teacher Paul. Okay, all right, then you save it, go to file, you save it. Now I add a new slide, which is slide 5. Okay, now let me insert a picture. Okay, now this time let me insert a shape. Okay, or let me insert a picture, and then in our next video we will look at how to work with shapes. So let me insert a picture. Okay, go to, okay, the name of the picture is monitor. Okay, and I click insert, it has come. So let me adjust it. Okay, now I go to insert and I go to text box. I click text box, then I click on the slide, it has come. Okay, so you can type inside. Let me undo. Okay, it has come. So we can type inside the text box. So you can say my picture. Okay, then you select the text, or you can click on the text like this and you press Control plus A, it will be selected. Then you go to font size, font type, and change it in the size, let's say 36. Okay, then you come here and expand it like this. Okay, then you click on the line, you click again, then you move to the top. Okay, you can expand the text box to make sure it is in line with the picture. Then you select the text. Then you center the text. Okay. Okay. Now go to color, font color, and make it. You choose any color that is visible, like red, like this. Okay. You can also use the text box to write on the image. So let me go to insert again, and then select text box. Then you click on the image. Okay. So now you can begin to type in the text box on the image. Okay. You can call this image 1. Image 1. Okay. Then you click it. You see the line, the text box is like dot line. So you click and make sure it has become straight line. Then you hold it and drag it to a new place that you want. You can say image 1. Okay. And the image, you can click on the image, then you stretch it. If you don't want to stretch it, you can make it small like this. You use the edges. Okay. If you want to stretch like this, if you want to stretch like this. Okay. Okay. Now let me add another slide. So a new slide. Okay, which is the slide 6. Okay. Then I go to insert. Go to insert, and then I can insert word art. You can click word art. You click on any of the designs. So let me select this second one. Okay. And then it has appeared. So it says enter text. So when it appears like this, you can begin to type whatever you want. Okay. So you can say my first presentation. Okay, my first presentation. Okay. So in case you make a spelling mistake, you see this one sometimes it's like the Microsoft Word, it will underline it. Okay, so when it underlines it like this, it means there is spelling mistake. Then you right click, then you select the correct word. So I select first. Okay, and it has been corrected. Okay, so you can select all the text, and then you go to home tab and choose the font size to make it visible, like area black. Okay, all right. Now you save it. Okay, after saving, you can go to insert again. Okay, and it says screenshot. You can also insert a screenshot. So you can click the small arrow, and it says screen scraping. So you select screen scraping, and now you can use this one to select to capture the screen. So now you click and hold, and then you drag. Okay, then you release your hands. Okay, now it has been inserted. Then you click the edges to adjust the image. Okay, you see that is the screen of the computer, or the wallpaper. That is my wallpaper, so you can move it to wherever you want. All right, so you can right click on the image, and then you have the option to copy. You can copy it and paste it so that it becomes duplicate. Okay, if you want to delete, you click on the image, and then you press the delete key, and it is gone. So now let me insert a new slide 7, and insert a screenshot. So slide 7. Okay, you go to insert, then you click screenshot. Okay, then you see screen clipping. You select screen clipping. Okay, so now when this symbol appears, you can click. Now I want to screenshot the icons on my screen, so you click and hold. Then you select the screen that you want to capture. Then you release your hand. Now it has been inserted. Okay. When it is inserted like this, you can use the edges to change the size. Okay, to adjust the size. Okay, to adjust the size. Okay, now we have 7 slides. Now let me save it. Let me save it. Now I have saved it. Now if you want to play the slide, let's say you are a speaker and you're speaking to, or let's say you are a teacher and you are teaching your children. So you start from 1, 2, 3, and then this presentation was prepared by teacher Paul, and then you, 5th slide, this is my picture, and then 6, my first presentation, and then 7. So you start from slide 1. Okay, you want to, let's say you are teaching. So here you can click the slideshow tab. Okay, when you click the slideshow tab, you will see this thing from beginning. Okay, then you click from beginning. You see the first slide has shown. If you want to move to the next slide, then you press the space bar. So I'm pressing the space bar. This is the second slide. If I press the space bar again, the third slide. If I press it again, the next slide. If I press the space bar again, if I press the space bar again, if I press the space bar again, it has. If I press the space bar again, now it has ended, so it will return to the normal screen. Okay. So this is how to play it. You go to the slideshow tab, then you click from beginning. Okay, then you use the space bar. You keep pressing the space bar. So as you are teaching, let's say I am teaching my students how to read. So I can say 1, then I press the space bar, 2, then I press the space bar, 3, then I press the space bar. You see, to keep on changing. As soon as the more I press the space bar, then the next slide will come. Anytime I press the space bar, the next slide will come. Okay, until it completes. If you don't want to use the slideshow button, okay, you can also press the F5 key on the keyboard. So now I am pressing the F5 key on my keyboard. Okay, so I am pressing F5. Okay, and that one to also play. It will bring the first slide, then I use the space bar to change the slide. So if I press the space bar, 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 and it will keep on changing like that. So this is how to create a slide, different slides to be used as a presentation when you are speaking, so that you can present to your audience.